So yeah, let's be really careful with the pulls in here and pull everything back. Here we go. Oh yeah, they're imps. I forgot. You gotta LOS the imps.
Yep. And also remember, going up the stairs, there are invisible guys.
Yeah, they're rogues.
Rogues.
You gotta watch out for.
So in other words, the tank definitely has to go first.
Oh, here he is. I found him at the top.
Okay. But there should have been two.
I don't see. Oh no, got him. Yeah, here he is.
Yeah, I'm hoping there isn't one on the right as well.
I think that's the one we just got.
It just seems so strange not to run across them on the stairs, though.
Alright. Yeah, if you can LOS them around the corner, we can burn them down real quick, even if we get the other group.
Yeah, we're going to get the group.
LOS, I'm back. LOS, I'm back.
Yeah, come back.
Kill the warlock first.
That stupid imp.
Alright, the warlock's dead.
That imp is bound and determined. Ah, thank you. I shouldn't say this dungeon is bigger. It's not bigger.
But it does feel like it takes longer.
Yeah. The next dungeon, however. Huh,
Third halls? You mean?
pardon me? What is the name of the other one here?
Shattered halls. Is,
Yeah,
like a timed
that one
run
is-
for a quest where you have to do it real quick.
Yeah. I do believe that is the one.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay, income. Oh, yeah, there's the rogue.
Okay, we have a mob, guys. There's no way I'm gonna keep this up.
Kill the rogue.
Couldn't get you, Naimarius. I was running for my life, and then, yeah. I'm being attacked. We wiped. What happened? Anybody know?
No, it wasn't that. Oh.
Oh-ho! I knew there was one here on the steps somewhere.
This will be interesting.
Yeah, well, we gotta try something.
Okay, we got it. Nice.
At least we
Now
don't
we-
have to worry about them.
We can fight those summoners where they're standing at.
Yeah. Because then we don't have to worry about going in that room, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, somehow they both summoned Fell Hunters, wow. And now we got the Succubus also, but the Summoners are dead.
This worked much better, though, that we were able to come right in on them. Get the caster first.
There's a bomb. See it? Yeah.
We can avoid the proximity bombs, but we can't avoid the caster. I'm being attacked by the suck.
Proximity bomb. Oop. I stepped on it.
It's the guy in silver that drops the bombs.
This isn't a technician, it's a different one.
Oh. I just know the silver guys in silver drop.
Yeah.
No, this is the one that's fairly long.
This one is a technician. Let's kill the technician first.
Run back. Nope, you guys didn't.
Bomb.
Beer was right in it. I can't pass, guys. I don't know what the hell was going on. Haha. Yeah, that's what happened to me. Yeah, I just unsilenced you, but yeah.
Watch out for the bomb.
Anger, hate. These are tools I can use.
Fear is after me!
Stay away from me.
Oh, we got extras. We got 2 technicians, so watch out. Try to spread them out so we don't have the technicians all in the same space.
I'm sorry. That was fast. I did have you, though.
Yeah, that was incoming.
Yeah. See, did they see how long they take to dissipate? You were out of my line of sight!
There's a summoner too, watch out.
Oh, you're out of my line of sight. Jesus, I hate that. Not your fault. On you? Yes. Ah, the succubus is on me. I'm still being attacked. I'm charmed. Hell, that was, close.
We got him.
Yeah. God, I wish they were all this easy. Well, not quite this easy, but...
Bomb.
Oh God, you guys hit 2 bombs in a row? Bad.
Yeah, there were 2 bombs in a row. You're right.
I mean, I was able to heal through 1, but yeah, it wasn't going to happen through 2.
You got this.
No, because another bomb got him.
We did get the fellow work, so it's only the technicians.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, y'all got hit.
Keep it moving. Okay, we got this one.
I'm out of range.
Too. That's what I was thinking.
He's pulling back.
Well, he better be.
There's a technician. Let's still get the caster first, though.
Please come this way just a tad more, guys. Okay, Beer, you didn't get no heal. Where were you? Okay, I got you that time, though.
Bomb. Oh, we got it.
Yeah. So me and Brad on the skull, and Beer and
Yeah.
Naimarius on
I'm silenced, guys. I'm silenced again.
There's a
sorry.
bomb. There's a bomb on the left. Oh, we got stepped on. Oh, nice. They're all dead. But
Holy
pulling back,
crap.
Just in case we get runners.
Coming after me.
I can't cast it. That's still in charge. I
Oh, Naimarius!
What the heck? I don't understand why that fellow orc came back onto me. I think maybe he protects the casters or something.
I don't know, but the neophyte's on me right now, I can tell you that. Okay. I've got a bunch of curses on me.
caster.
There's a bomb, watch out.
Alright, it's a go.
Here we go.
Okay, get ready to run to the opposite side, because they'll come straight for me, I imagine.
Door 2.
Yep, he was coming straight for me.
I don't know why they're on me.
Yeah, you're taking quite a bit of damage.
Door 3. This one's got 4 in it. Watch out.
Yeah, one got through. Up, nice. Thank you. Yeah, killed me. Not good, guys.
Yeah, Flora, you maybe try to pick up some healing. We'll see what we can do here.
Yeah, Naimarius,
So-
you're going to have to take the next charge. And the Cruz, do you have the ability to battle res yet, or is it still cooldown? All right, thank you.
Out of mana. Oops, out of mana.
Okay, they're on me. Oh, he's on me, guys. Alright, now, I have no mana, so...
Wow. Man up. See what you can do.
I have nothing, I already used a potion. Cruz might be able to invigorate me. There, thank you.
And here comes the boss. Get ready. Let the tank establish aggro, and let's burn him down. Oh, he's on me. He's on me. See if you can taunt him off.
Yeah, stay out of those green circles, guys.
Nice.
Yeah, that's one thing we forgot.
Oh, pull him back.
Line of sight.
If you can dispel the corruption on him. Oh, yeah. There you go.
Yeah, it's just that he wasn't where I needed to get to him. He was... not good, guys.
The imps are all dead.
damn it.
I got the rogue.
A rogue over in the left-hand corner there somewhere.
I need it.
Yeah, you're cursed, Flo, and I can't help you. Bouncy, bouncy. Ooh, 4,000 crit. Phew. Nice. But you know, you want to see those crits when the person is almost dead and you give them a really good solid. Here's the rogue. I'm poisoned, guys. Thank you.
Always up to no good.
I hear you.
Okay, here we go. Incoming. Okay, get him there.
Nice job, guys.
Preview and recheck.
See?
Incoming.
Oh, he stunned me, guys. Sorry.
One of the fell guards is on me. I'm gonna need a heal here.
I was stunned. I couldn't heal at all. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean not to get you, Cruz, but I was at the end of oops, stunned. Just as my heal was ready to go off, it stunned me. Naimarius is going to take the caster. You go after the bloody Felguard. Stunned. Out of it. Well, that's certainly working better. Oops! Spoke too soon.
You mustn't let him lose! He'll kill us all!
And now the boss.
What is this? What have you done? You'll ruin everything!
We got a corruption out on the tank. Stay away from him. Run away, run away, run away.
And burn!
Nice. Well done. Uh-oh.
Oops, I couldn't get you on time, dear.
North. Kill his ass.
Stay away, run away, run away, run away.
And burn!
Corruption out on Beergrande. Nice. Corruption out.
I know.
I need to
Ryan.
left.
I couldn't catch you all on time. Was just
Wait.
Back up.
I'm gonna try to tank.
I'm dead, guys. And you're too far away from me. I can't throw a heal or anything.
Closer. Come closer. And burn!
Well, the problem for me is when you're separating, you're going different directions, so I can't get yous.
Okay, I think this boss is the first one in these like intro.
Well,
This is like the first boss in these introductory dungeons that's like really pretty like legitimately hard. This corner, and
You
we'll
mustn't let
and
him
here we go.
lose!
And now the boss.
What is this? What have you done? You'll ruin everything!
Run away.
Come closer. And burn!
Nice. All right.
awesome. That was awesome.
That's still.
Corruptions are out.
I can't use that. That's still recharging.
Run away.
Come closer. And burn!
We got this. Nice. Very easy.
Now, see why I suggested that particular running?
These will be fun for you too. Look at that.
Oh, look at this! Oh! That's two awesome pieces.
Good run.
Good job.
Yeah,
Is that
that
it?
was. Yeah, that's it. The little passage will lead us back to the front.
Yep, from here. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank y'all. But I'm sorry I got you killed on a couple not knowing the fights.
Hey,
I mean,
first time for me.
your fault. I mean, we have, you know, a lot of things happen.
Yeah, and it's learning. It's relearning the mechanics. Like it's been years since I ran here. You know, a few things I remember, but I don't remember all the mechanics. You know.
Look at how much easier that fight was the second time around.
Yeah,
Crazy.
much easier. And running towards me made a big difference too. I could keep any heals up, and I was able to keep up with the dispelling as well.
Yeah.
And Flo not being the first person that died. Like I said.